I'm going to show you how to use GitHub. GitHub is the industry standard for uploading your programming files. So many big companies use it, and it's great for having your code stored somewhere in the cloud where it's safe, and it's used for collaborating, so multiple, all the team members can access the code. And I'm just going to show you little bits of how to use it. So you're going to have to create an account. I'm just going to sign in here. So this is the landing page after you sign in. You can view your repositories, which is like all of your projects. I have 2 here. You can create a new repository. I'm just going to call it example. Create repository. And I've never used any of this, even the first time I used this, so I just hit the copy button here. Go to your terminal, Git clone, and then Control V to paste, enter. And so what it's done is it's put a new folder on my desktop called example, and it's completely empty. And then if we go back to your repositories, you'll see the new one there. It's completely empty. And we'll go and create some code to put in there. Open folder, desktop, example, new file, index.html, hello world, save it. Okay, so now to upload it to Git, first you cd into the directory, cd example, and then you go git status. So it can tell, because it's in red, there's something that's changed. There's a brand new file there, it can tell. And at this point, you might get some sort of error code with credentials. One thing about programming is you're always running into error codes. And what you do is you just Google it and find out what you have to do and find out how to enter your credentials into here. I've already, I've done this a few times, so I've already added my credentials. But the first time you do it, you'll probably get that error code. You'll have to enter, your username and password. And then, so we have one file in the red here that hasn't been uploaded yet. So you go git add -- all. And then I'll just say here, if you've made a mistake, I'll go git status again. It'll be green because it's like, okay, this is what we're going to do next. If you've made a mistake, you just go git reset, git status, and we're back to the beginning. So we'll go git add all again, and then git commit -m for message, and then just give it any message. This is what's going to show up on GitHub. Describe this addition, initial commit, and then git push, and that will actually push it up to GitHub. So now if we go to example, we should see that index.html. Yep, there we go. We have the initial commit, which we named it ourselves, and there's index.html, hello world. And then once you've made changes, you can just go through that whole process again. Let's just do that. We'll go hello world again, save it, git status, and it says modified. So git add -- all, git commit -m, modified index.html, and then git push. And then we refresh. and it's back there. It's the most recent versions there. 2 hello worlds. You can see all your commits, your commit history by hitting on commits there. Initial commit, modified index.html. So again, there's the commits there, 2 commits. And then GitHub has this really cool thing where you can actually preview your web page. It'll actually be uploaded for you. It's absolutely free. So you go to settings, pages, and then to do that, you just select your branch, you select main, save. Now you just sit here for like a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then it takes a little while for it to publish for some reason. And I'll just keep hitting refresh until I see it's changed. There it is. Your site is live at HTTPS. So you can click on that. There it is. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. So that's kind of cool. You can have your website live just through GitHub. I'm going to show you how to delete a repository. So make sure you're in the right one, and then you go to settings again. Scroll all the way to the bottom, danger zone, delete this repository. Now they're going to ask you all kinds of questions to make sure you really want to delete it, because like companies use this as their main place to store all their code. So they have like, tens or hundreds or even thousands of people working on, the same thing for years, and it can just be absolutely devastating to delete a repository. So click, I want to delete this repository. Unexpected bad things will happen if you don't read this. This will permanently delete. I've read and understand. And then as a final check, they want you to manually confirm which one you're deleting. So it's better actually to type it in. Delete this repository. There we go, and it's gone. So that's a good overview of GitHub. I don't know how to use it very well yet, but this is what I do know. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.